Hello everyone, we are back. Let's try to create this presentation template. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. Let's try to create it and see what it looks like. You see, we can go from each slide and come back. This is something I like. Now let's go and see how we can create this. Okay, at first, thing is important for you to understand is that these things are the slides or Zoom. Let's try to create. For creating this 6 slide, you don't need anything, but for tutorial, I create one of them. You just paste the text here, and after pasting the text, you just format the shape, go here to shape format and use this font, and everything is great. After creating that, you go to format background and format the background to the color you like. For example, this one to this color, this color, this color. For example, I like the green, and let's go with, I think this blue is good, and at least let's go with this color. No, it's not good. Let's go with this color. Okay, we create our 6 textures. Now we need to create this slide. How we can create this? Okay, as you can see, how we create this. Let us look another time for you to better understand. Some of you may think we use Zoom, but not. You see, it's not using Zoom. So how I create it? I just simply create a new slide and just then put 6 rectangle on it. Sorry, my hand slipped. 6 rectangle. We go here, use rectangle 1, 2, in the center, and 3. And then select all of them and copy them down. Then select all of them and move them up. Okay, it's good. And then just write the title up. Or you can also not write it, but for now let's write it. This is how the slides have been created. Now what should we do? We just select all of them, and then what we do, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let me put it back. We select all of them and then go to shape format and set the outline to none and give them a little shadow, something like this. And I also don't like this home thing. It's not the thing I like. After that, we just need to set the colors to one that we choose. I think the first one, I don't know what color I used. This is this color. Let's copy the color. The first one, the second one is yellow. This yellow or not? Not this one. I think this one, and then the blue. After that, we have the green. And we have this blue and this yellow. Okay, we create them. We just simply copy the text here and paste it in the slides. Don't forget, I will fix the color and the fonts when the time comes. Okay, 3 of them. Now the 4th one. 4 and the 5 one, 5, the 6 one. Now we paste all of them, so you select all of them and increase the font. And then after increasing the font, I set the shape format to something like this. Some of you may say we have this great effect. Yes, I just simply copy them. They are text boxes. and nothing special about them. I just copy them and paste them here. You see what I need to align them a little, and also I need to delete the shapes background. They have some background, I think. Okay, they all been created. Now I just need to align them a little. You can align them whenever you want. It's okay, it's just a little fixing everything. Now the shape is ready. What should we do? We should create the transition. How? We go here, select this shape and go to insert and link and place in this document. The first one is slide 10. You see? Select all the shape, not a text. Slide 10. Select this shape and link slide 11. This shape, link slide 12. This shape, link 13. This shape, link 14. And this shape, link 15. Everything is okay. Now I just need to simply go here and link these things to a slide 9 and then copy that, delete this and paste. Copy that and paste it here. Delete this thing, paste it here. Delete this thing, delete paste, and then delete paste. Okay, everything is ready. Now we just need to simply run. Now whenever we click on some of them, you see, and then we can click here to go back, and again we can do the thing we need. Okay, but don't forget, after all, set the transition of all of them to morph. Now let's another time look at them. You see, it's really beautiful and amazing. You can use it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer you.